Looking for how to fix Google Play Store not opening problem on Android. In this video, I show you how to fix Google Play Store not opening problem on Android phone. For solving this, go to settings, scroll down, then go to apps. Now search for Play Store, tap on Play Store, tap on storage, tap on clear data, delete, tap on force stop, okay. Now tap on three dot, uninstall update, okay. Now search for Google Play service, tap on Play service, scroll down, tap on storage, tap on clear cache. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open Play Store. Now I hope that this method fix Google Play Store not opening problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching.